topic is law of supply. What is law of supply? Have you ever heard about the term? Supply, basically what is the supply? Actually I have cleared it in my previous lecture, and hopefully that was enough for you. Now the law of supply. So law of supply, it is a common observation that whenever there will be an increment in the price in the market, then the producer would like to sell their products in more quantity, or they would like to supply more in the market for the sale to earn the maximum profit. So the aim of the producer can be a maximization of profit, and it will give an inducement to the firms to produce a higher amount of any commodity, and due to the high profit earning the other firms are earning in the market, new firms will attract towards the production of the same good, and then overall the supply will increase. And I think this is the phenomenon no one can deny. So what is the law of supply? Law of supply in actual is a direct or positive relationship between the price and quantities supply in the market. Positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. Whenever there will be an increment in the price, there will an increment in the quantity supply, and it will remain the same thing, or remain the same phenomena. One thing you must have to remember is the fact that we here considering other things remaining constant. Other things remaining constant. What does it mean? Other things remaining constant? It means there would be some assumptions to prove this law right for us, to prove this law true for us. Like other sciences, we in economics we do also consider some assumptions to prove our law or to prove our things, to prove our simply thoughts or observations, we can say that. What are the other things which we are considering constant? We'll discuss this later. Firstly, we have to discuss about the fact, this one, where we are saying that there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. So to prove this law true, I will draw a table and then a diagram. Then I will try to make it more clear for you. Simply, here we are with our example. What is the example? Here's the example of eggs. Whenever there will be an increment in the price of egg, of course the egg supply will increase in the market. I'm drawing a table here for you, and in table we are taking two things, price and quantity supply. Simply, so I'm taking a suppose value which is 16, price is 16, and the quantity supply at this price in market is 400. Now suppose price of the egg has increased. Price of eggs has increased to 16, from 16 to 20. When prices have been increased, as a supplier, what would you like to do? Of course, to earn the more profit, you will supply more quantity to the market. Simple. Then you will supply 600 dozen of eggs per day. Next, price has been increased further, and price has been 24. Now you will increase quantity supply simply, and it will be 800. Now I'm taking another value, and that value is, for example, so just suppose it is 28. When the price is 28, the quantity supply will increase and it will become 1000. So you can see from the table, as the prices are increasing, quantity supply is also. Now I'm going to make a diagram to make it more clear for you, and hopefully you're going to understand it in a better way. So here I'm going to draw a diagram. I need some space. So here we are. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. On y-axis I'm taking price, and on the x-axis I'm taking quantity supplied. So here we can take different gap, as the minimum value of the price is 16 and the maximum price value is 28. So I'm going to take a distance of 10. Now 10, 20, 30, 40. I think it will be enough. It will cover all the values. Now here quantity supply, I am going to take distance of 200, 400, 600, 800 and 1000. Now I'm going to look at the table and will draw on this diagram for you. Here at the price 16 price, there is 400 supply. 16 price will be here somewhere, and where 16 price quantity supply is 400. Now at 20 price quantity supply is 600. Here's our first point, and here is our second point. Now I'm going to take price 24, and 24 will be here somewhere. At 24 price quantity supply is 800. Now I got another point. At price 28 will be somewhere here. Quantity supply is 1000. So now I have points, and point I can give number or I can give name A, B, C, D. So for merging these points, I can get a curve which will be called as a supply curve. Okay, this is our supply curve, and you can see it is a positive slope. It is a positive slope. It has. Now we can say that from the table also, due to increment in price, there is an increment in the quantity supply, and from table we can also see there is a positive relationship. As the prices are increasing, quantity supply is increasing with the price. Now what we have to do, or how we can merge our law. So from the above discussion, we can say here quantity supply is a function of price, and moreover there is a positive relationship between the quantity supply and price. There is a positive sign which is denoting a positive relationship between the two variables, price and quantity supply.